I'm gonna give you a close-up look at the DEWALT folding pocket knife. I've had one of these for like 6 years now and haven't had no problems. It has a stainless steel blade. It has a thumb stub for easy opening to keep from cutting yourself. It's lightweight. The thing I like about it the most, it has a lifetime warranty. So I'm gonna show you how I take this out of the package, and this thing is really well packed. Now, if you would like to purchase one of these, you can look to the top right. There's a drop down straight to my website, or you can click on the description below. I have a link to this knife. As you can see, I'm taking it out. It's glued right here. You want to tear this back. And once you tear it back, you can just pull the knife right out. And like I said, you can look to the top right. There's a drop down to my website with a lot of DEWALT products, grinders, knives, and other stuff. As you can see, I'm gonna give you the dimensions here on this knife. With it unfolded, it's 7.5 inches long, and the blade itself is 3.25 inches. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is to fold this thing back up. And it has this little clip right here to put in your pocket or on your belt. And to fold it back up, what you want to do is push this down and then fold it, and that thumb stub will hit your thumb to keep from cutting yourself. And you can also do this with one hand. It's really easy. I'm going to show you how to do it the same way. You just want to push and fold. And that's really it. And like I say, you can look in the description below or the drop down to the top right to purchase this from my website. And I also use this to open Cokes or Corona. You just want to grab it, put it right there on the edge and twist. And the top will pop right off. All right, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.